Hello, so this is my Casio AE-1200 or the Casio Royale, and I'm using it with this Nato strap for around a year now. And if you observe this, that the lug width of this watch is actually 18 mm, but if you use a 18 mm Nato strap, it will not match the body of the watch, and so that's why I had gone with the 22 mm Nato strap, but it also doesn't actually fit with the watch directly, so I had to do a certain mod on the strap to make it fit. So in this video I'm just going to show you how I adjusted the 22 mm Nato strap with this watch. So this might come in handy to you. So I bought this strap from Amazon, and it is a simple mod, but yeah, so actually you will have to remove the spring bars first. Using any spring bar tool or some kind of hack, you can just try to search for some videos how you can remove it without a tool as well. So you first have to remove the old strap, and then I have actually cut down the 22 mm strap, if you can see here, and I used a lighter to burn the threads. So you'll have to take some measurements to do this, but yeah, the final result will definitely look good, because this 22 mm strap actually matches the body, and yeah, you can do it in a better way. Like you can get the adapters which have more width, which can extend your lug width to directly 22 mm, but that is kind of a expensive hack. But yeah, this one also works well, and yeah, it looks pretty good on the wrist. Do try it. Thank you.